Welcome Dream Bikes Hub. The PCX 125 is powered by a liquid-cooled 124.9cc single-cylinder engine that produces around 12 horsepower. This engine offers a balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for city riding and short-distance. The Honda PCX 125 is a premium scooter designed for urban commuters and enthusiasts who appreciate both style and functionality. First introduced in 2009, the PCX series quickly became one of Honda's most popular scooters. The 125cc's variant, in particular, stands out due to its well-rounded characteristics. The PCX 125 engine is designed to be highly fuel efficient while still providing enough power to cruise comfortably on highways or handle urban stop-and-go traffic. While it's not built for high-speed performance, the scooter reaches speeds of up to 100 km. The Honda PCX 125 is equipped with a telescopic front fork and twin shock absorbers at the rear, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. The scooter's suspension system is The PCX 125 is equipped with a decent amount of storage space. The under-seat storage compartment can easily accommodate a full-face helmet, which adds to the scooter's practicality. Additionally, the scooter features a USB charging port located in the glove box. The Honda PCX 125 stands out in the crowded scooter market as a stylish, practical, and efficient option for city commuters and those looking for a versatile scooter for both short and medium-range travel. The price of the Honda PCX 125 varies depending on the region, dealer, and optional accessories. On average, the price of a new PCX 125 typically ranges between $3,500 to $4,500 USD. One of the most attractive features of the PCX 125 is its fuel economy. Thanks to the advanced FI system and optimized engine design, the scooter can achieve fuel efficiency figures of up to 50-60 km per liter 117141 mpg. This makes the PCX 125 an excellent choice for daily commuters looking to reduce fuel costs and emissions. I hope this provided more information and unique, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and watching me.